Ako din, where does the face mo at sa hat mo, anong bago sa'yo?
Actually, I'm having right now, meron akong project right now. Parang it's a foundation actually, Dance for a Cause. So, me and my friends from Switzerland, in limited edition, parang we are raising funds.
That's your dance group?
Yeah.
Pero ano siya, diba? Meron din siyang, sa Switzerland. Yata yung sa Pilipinas.
Exactly, and we are going to have an audition for limited edition on the 28th of March.
Ano yung lokal mo?
Brian.
Brian.
Ano to, Vicky, para sa mga lalaki ng pamilig sumayaw?
Hindi naman. Actually, it's for everyone eh. So,
Lalo-lalo na raw sa mga reporter.
Talaga? Talaga ha? Sige.
Oh, ito, inspired ka ba daw?
Yes,
Yes,
definitely.
Live, ba't ka na-inspire?
KG yan ang CDB.
KG.
Actually, inspired by a lot of, Gian or Zik or my friends. Actually, hindi ka na rin ko na play kahit sino. I get inspired a lot.
Anyway,
Paglalaro tayo ng game.
game tayo.
Ano?
Ang game natin is Delete Please Game.
Wow.
Delete.
So, we have to give you words and then,
Tapos, kung pinaka-unang mag-pop sa head mo, yun sabihin.
let's start it. Go!
Comfort food.
Ice cream.
Last time I got kilig was?
When someone touched my hand.
Pet peeves.
No.
One person I really look up to.
My mom.
Something I would buy if I had 1 million pesos.
Go to the
Car.
The sexiest part of my body.
The sexiest part, my eyes.
A guy I find attractive.
A guy?
Oh.
Hey! Girl I find attractive.
Jessica Alba.
Showbiz personality I still get starstruck with.
Aga Mula.
A secret talent.
Wala.
Okay, sige. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you. Okay.
Then speaking of dancing, di ba?
We'll dance for a
Ito,
cause.
saan ito sa dance troupe nyo?
Oo. Pagka nung 1990s, kasi ito na si Tita Jeline sa kanyang Dance of the Week. Ito na. Watch this.
Yeah.